Here's a new laser engraver and cutter sent us by AlgoLaser. At a first glance, you might think that this laser machine is just another stupid diode laser engraver, but you'd be wrong. This machine has stuff baked into it that I've only seen in the higher price range laser machines. It has a key lock, Wi-Fi capabilities, 12,000 mm per minute max speed, high quality frame, color touchscreen, 10 watts blue diode laser, and my favorite perk of all, it has a polished app for your smartphone. AlgoLaser MK2 is the easiest DIY laser machine I've used so far. Its operating system has been very efficiently worked on. For example, it only takes up to a minute to go through the menus to get a picture of your pet into the engraving state on the MK2. We've reviewed similar machines to this one before, but the AlgoLaser shines through with its ease of use. At the moment, the MK2 DIY kit is going for $299 and €283 for the base machine, which really is a steal. Keep in mind that those prices are the Black Friday deals. With 10 watts of blue diode, you have enough power to cut plywood similar to this one. Okay, I don't believe in claims, I believe in results. So let's test out what this laser machine can do.
Introducing PCBWay.com, a place to find a solution for all your electronic needs. PCBWay is the leading store in making custom PCBs, CNC millings, 3D printing, and much more. Get an instant quote for your custom PCB right now. You can also participate on the 7th Project Design Contest to win amazing prizes. Check out PCBWay website to find out more.
12,000 millimeters per minute speed should be taken in as a max move speed. I've tried to engrave with that speed and haven't got any good results, which is kind of a given. You can play around with the speeds to get the required end result, of course. For me, between 2000 and 5000 millimeters per minute is perfect for engraving. For cutting, I'd drop the speed or do more than several passes. The room I've done these tests in had to be ventilated. Cutting and engraving wood really does get smoky. So if you're interested in getting this machine or any laser machine like this, I recommend getting the smart enclosure from AlgoLaser as well. That way you have a more secure use and also can control the harmful fumes through a filtering system. I think this machine is at the moment of making this video on a really good price point. The build quality and the polished software on it and the app on your smartphone is a no-brainer. This way it also reaches out to beginners and more advanced users. I want to thank AlgoLaser for sending out this machine for testing. But as usual, our testing and findings are unbiased. So what do you think of this laser machine? Is it something you might want in your workshop? For someone who likes making unique projects, I think it's a must-have. I hope I gave you enough useful information for you to decide to get one or not. Anyways, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel so that we can continue bringing you more content like this in the future. Keep safe. Bye for now. Bye!